The Haymond Law Firm's Two Wheels on the Road campaign is rolling strong once again, this time showing support for the annual Bike Blessing on the Waterfront in New London. Here's a look at how they're making an impact on the riding community.
The initiation of the motorcycle season for all of us.
Hundreds of motorcycle riders from across the state kick off the riding season in New London at the annual Blessing on the Waterfront. The event is organized by the New London Motorcycle Club.
The main thing, though, is that we want to make sure that we want to give back to the community that continues to support us in the past years and going forward.
Proceeds from the blessing go directly to local organizations like the New London Covenant Shelter and the Waterfront Country School. Sponsors like the Haymond Law Firm return year after year to help make the event a success.
I've been a proud supporter of the New London Bike Blessing for over 15 years. And it's such a beautiful venue. We're right on the water and everybody loves to come out, and we are fortunate today because it's one of the few days we've had without rain.
Attorney John Haymond and the newest member of the firm, Paige Haymond, connecting with the motorcycle community.
I want to thank John Haymond. They've been a big, huge supporter of ours in the past. They continue to be.
Attorney Haymond says he's always impressed with the generosity of those who attend the Bike Blessing and similar events that happen throughout the year.
These are people who week in and week out dig into their pockets, raise money for charitable causes such as this.
An opportunity to wish motorcycle riders a safe season on the road and give back to the local community.
Ride safe, and let's hope that it's a wonderful riding season.
We're Haymond Law, and that's our promise.
And for more information on upcoming rides, just visit haymondlaw.com. For CT Buzz, I'm Jillian Andrews.